Hi guys, I am Vengadalakshmi. I am from Rathinam College of Arts and Science. This video is about application of mathematics in solar system. Mathematics plays an important role in the exploration of the solar system. Without maths, people would not be able to build telescopes, calculate trajectories for spacecraft, or even understand the orbits of the planets. Can you name the 8 planets in our solar system? This includes Earth, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. We live on a planet called Earth that is part of our solar system. Next, we are moving galaxies. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars under the solar system. Our sun is one of trillions of stars in the universe. Stars are found in groups held together by gravity. A huge group of stars is called a galaxy. Our entire universe is made up of thousands of galaxies. Here we see universe, galaxy, and solar system pictures. Next we are moving the Milky Way. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way. It is very important. Next, the inner planets. It is called terrestrial planets. The planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are called terrestrial because they have a compact rocky surface like Earth's terra firma. The terrestrial planets are the 4 innermost planets in the solar system. Next, spinning planets. Period of rotation. Amount of time that an object takes to rotate once. It is 1 day. Period of revolution. Time it takes an object to revolve around the sun once. It is 1 year. Next, Mercury. On Mercury, you weight only 38% of what you weight on Earth. It is the fastest orbiting planet. This planet nearest to the sun. One side of the planet can be 800 degrees Fahrenheit when the other can be minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit at the same time. Venus. On Venus, you weight only 91% of what you weight on Earth. Venus has 90 times the pressure of Earth. Venus has volcanoes like Earth, rotates in the opposite direction of Earth. One time there were oceans before they boiled away. Next, we are going to Earth. We live on a planet called Earth. 23 hours and 56 minutes is equal to 1 day. It is 1 day, 1 Earth day rotation. 365 days is 1 Earth year. Earth is warm enough to keep most of its water from freezing and cold enough to keep its water from boiling. Temperature is between minus 13 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. It is very useful to animals and planets to live in the planet. Next, Mars. Air pressure on Mars is the same as 30 km above the Earth's surface. Mars is in the form of ice, evidence that water was there at one time. Volcanic history like Earth. It has the tallest mount of the planets. Next, outer planets is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next, we go to Jupiter. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. It rotating on average once in just under 10 hours. Jupiter has the shortest days of all the planets in the solar system. Pressure is so great it would crush a spaceship. Next, Saturn, second largest planet in the solar system, 95 times more massive than Earth. Saturn has the largest rings of any planet. The rings are made of icy particles, most moons of any planet. Next, we go to Uranus, discovered in 1781. Uranus appears blue-green in color. Its axis of rotation is tilted 90 degrees. Moons are named after Shakespeare's plays and formed from other broken moons. Last we see Neptune. It is discovered in 1846. Neptune has visible belts of clouds. Interior releases thermal energy to its outer layers. Used to be the eighth planet after Pluto until 1999. Thank you guys for watching our video. It is very useful to your life, and thank you so much.